Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a few interesting English words that we can use in our day-to-day conversations and level up our English. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first one is gregarious. Gregarious meaning friendly or sociable. If a person is friendly and sociable and always ready to mix with new people or participate in different social events, we can call them gregarious. In simple words, a gregarious person loves social gatherings. For example, she is very gregarious person. I wish I were a little more gregarious. My friend is gregarious and loves meeting new people. Gregarious person usually enjoy social gathering. The next one is loquacious. Loquacious meaning very talkative or someone who speaks a lot. For example, my niece is loquacious. I am not a loquacious person. Sometimes people become loquacious when they are excited. Whenever I meet my friends, I become loquacious. The next one is magnanimous. Magnanimous meaning generous or forgiving. A magnanimous person has a big heart. He or she can forgive others easily. For example, she was very magnanimous and forgive her friend. A magnanimous person never holds grudges. We should always be magnanimous towards others. She showed a magnanimous attitude towards her rival. The next one is predicament. Predicament meaning a very difficult or unpleasant situation that is very hard to escape from. Imagine you are stuck in a very difficult situation and don't know what to do. That is a predicament. For example, she was in a difficult predicament. Losing my mobile phone in a massive crowd put me in a difficult predicament. After losing his job, he found himself in a difficult predicament. The next word is mediocrity. Mediocrity meaning a state of being average or ordinary, even though you could do better. In simple words, mediocrity means staying at an average level instead of striving for excellence. There are some useful collocations that can go with this word. For example, settle for mediocrity, rise above mediocrity, escape mediocrity. For example, hard work helps us rise above mediocrity. She worked hard day and night to improve her English and rise above mediocrity. I don't want to settle for mediocrity when it comes to learning English. Let's quickly revise all those words that we have learned today. The first one is gregarious. Gregarious means friendly or sociable. The next one is loquacious, meaning talkative. Talkative. Third one is magnanimous. Magnanimous means a big heart to forgive others. Predicament. Predicament, a difficult situation. Mediocrity, being merely average. Mediocrity, average. So you can remember all those words in this way and try to use those words in your day-to-day conversations. Remember one thing, learning words separately is not enough. Unless you start using those words while speaking and in the correct context, it will not become active in your mind. So start using those words in your day-to-day conversations and make friends with those words. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Humming Space. Thank you for watching.